you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
Welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, you'll be seeing Douglas get the front area clean and decorated for fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving. All the things is what we do here in this house. It's a match of things. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscription box down below. Turn the red to gray to join our growing family. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank y'all so much for being here. For we are a family of 5. Hence DAT Family 5. And I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. Thank you.
Your mind, are you doing business to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Okay, so real quick, let me go ahead and introduce ourselves. My name is Atoya, and Douglas is my husband. We have been married for 21 years, together for 26 years. We have 3 girls, 2 in college, 1 at home. On this channel, you get cleaning motivation, DIY inspiration, anything else that I like to vlog, like putting these cat water things together. So, fountains, water fountains for the cats together. So something different, you know, just to, you know, be trying to make sure everybody is not feeling not lost, but feeling the fact that our 2 older ones are not here. So here we are. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. Thank you.
Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. Luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds, luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. I work too hard on my. We come so far. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux. Yeah. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. Lux. My little safe haven of conversation, where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean, if only through pictures and memes. Years together run deep in the glow of our screens. It's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy. I think I need group chat therapy. Group chat therapy. Tell you all my secrets, it's safe to keep them. Sharing our dreams and the whys and reasons. Since our last conversation, my girl's been waiting. Any update on they're my salvation. When I wanna break down and crash out, they won't. That's what friendship's about. Failure or success, we're a circle of trust. Better send that text. It's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy.
All right, so y'all will see two different two different visions of the front area being transformed. I'm trying to get this part done. I know y'all can see. I'm trying to get that part done, but my batteries are dead, and so I'm having to use the cell phone I haven't used in a while. And so all this gonna have to upload onto photos, and then hopefully it'll be on my tablet. We will see. I'll try to make sure it does what it needs to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and end here for the front office. For the front area. And then we're gonna get to cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the front without y'all. We're gonna get to cleaning that. I may try to get up on here for that. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like it. It doesn't look cloudy no more. Maybe I should have just wiped it. It's okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out this part. So y'all be blessed. Thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is all so precious. For we are the family that love life and having fun, and give you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. I mean that. I keep telling y'all that I mean that about spending your precious time. This time is not, we don't know the day, nor the hour, nor the minute, nor the second. So I appreciate y'all so very much. Love you guys. Y'all be blessed.